Hi, today our topic is the impact of an effective supply chain on manufacturing. So let's see what is the benefit of effective supply chain on manufacturing. An effective supply chain in manufacturing has several benefits to the process and overall operations. While we see that how manufacturing efficiency improves through supply chain techniques, we will experience the following benefits which we are going to discuss in the next slides. Benefits of an effective supply chain in manufacturing sector are the following. So first of all, it improved the input reliability through suppliers relationship management and warehouse management, then simplification of procedures, and all of the stakeholders or the partners are on the same page due to proper information flow. Then it reduced the distribution cost due to proper designing of the network, distribution network, improve production cost due to integration of suppliers, internal operations and the distribution, and then saving in the inventory cost through inventory management. After that, there's a better quality products due to integration of suppliers and internal operation, and then ease of customers ordering, that it is also through customer relationship management, and the meeting of delivery deadlines improves also, and this is due to the logistic management. Supporting companies infrastructure decisions, of course through supply chain we can make the decision about in-house manufacturing or making or outsourcing. And the last but not the least is the strengthening the suppliers and the customers integration. So basically it helps in the manufacturing through supply chain management while we are integrating our suppliers to the customers. A well-designed supply chain management system will ensure that all products input to the facility is properly timed and tracked. So it will help to improve the reliability of the inputs. This allows warehouses and other facilities to avoid overstaffing in times where shipments are delayed, as well as understaffing when large orders are coming in the coming at once. So due to this supply chain we can manage our human resource as well. It also decreases incident of shipment being later or delayed than expected, because fewer mistakes will be made in the ordering and distribution stages of the manufacturing process. So this will improve our not only input reliability, it will also improve our shipment reliability and accuracy. Next benefit is the simplification of the procedure. So by operating in accordance with a set of supply chain methods, implies managers at manufacturing facility will know exactly who to go to and how to reach them in event that there are questions or concerns. So everyone knows what to do in case of if there's any delayed or emergencies, or if they have any question. These simplified and easy to understand procedure allow manufacturers to save time on communication and problem solving and focus more on creating products and getting them out of the customers. So this way there will be no hurdles or hiccups in the manufacturing process if we are following the proper supply chain management methods and techniques. The next benefit is that it will reduce the distribution costs. So supply chain management allows manufacturers to reduce their direct sales and overhead cost at once by decreasing what they spend on distribution. Example of supply chain methods used to cut distribution cost include fuel efficient warehouse vehicles, strict procedure for material handling, advanced navigation and routing system for both robot and human drivers, and cost based order processing and purchasing systems. So all these distribution procedures or functions will have a less work more efficiently with the less cost, so ultimately reducing the distribution cost. With these technological advanced tools and procedures, manufacturers can reduce the amount of money they spend on distributing their product to the customer. So ultimate result will be a reduction in the distribution cost. Then the next benefit, which is very important to the is the production cost. And how the effective supply chain management contribute to this is for, because there is a lot of delays in production can be extremely costly for the manufacturer, and supply chains help to ensure suppliers can deliver parts or the material to the warehouses and other manufacturing facilities on time to avoid expensive production shutdowns or delays. So if there is a effective supply chain in place, these all delays or shutdowns can be avoided easily to save the cost and the wastage in our production. Supply chain management can also minimize the purchasing and inventory management cost, which is another big expense in the manufacturing. It costs warehouses more money to store more goods, parts and products, which ultimately are automatically increasing the carrying cost of the inventory. So but with an effective supply chain, manufacturers can deliver goods quicker to save on holding and purchasing costs. So if we have an effective supply chain management, we have to be delivering goods quicker and holding the inventory for the lesser time, so that way we can improve our inventory costs. The next is the better quality products. So supply chain management is playing another better role, another vital role in improving the quality of the product. So manufacturing with the established supply chain will almost always make better quality products due to the efficiency of their production process. So this is especially true for the company that works with the contract manufacturers. I mean, they are outsourcing their manufacturing, or they are doing manufacturing on the contract, that handle multiple aspects of supply chain, as fewer stakeholders are involved and more responsibility falls on the reliable partners. So supply chain management is playing a vital role to improve the product's quality, particularly where the manufacturing is done on a contract basis. Another benefit is that of supply chain management in the manufacturing is that it make for customers easy to place the order and keep the tracking of their orders. An effective supply chain will make it very simple for customer to place orders correctly and customize them if they need to do that. Customers won't have to jump through hoops, circles to ask the questions about their orders, and ordering procedure will be clearly outlined and streamlined for their convenience and peace of mind. So better customer convenience and satisfaction improve the sales and the customer satisfaction of that manufacturer. So in this way, supply chain management is also playing a better important role. Meeting of the delivery deadlines. So this is another major function of a supply chain, an effective supply chain management, which is benefit to the manufacturers. So when a manufacturer follow a specific strict supply chain, they will be much more likely to meet the important deadlines, such as delivery times. If a customer's order is continually being delayed with no explanation, it will lower their satisfaction with the company as a whole, no matter the source of setback is in the supply chain. So supply chain helps to improve our delivery time, our deadline, to meet the deadlines and to improve the satisfaction of our customers. This is another important decision manufacturers has to make, that they should make the goods in-house or outsource. So figuring out supply chain methods first will allow manufacturing to make educated decisions regarding their infrastructure. So what they have to make and what they don't have to make, or they have to outsource. So this is another very important decision which manufacturer can take with the help of an effective supply chain management. Overall, modern manufacturers squeeze every ounce of efficiency they can out of production process to remain competitive in the marketplace. So continuous quality improvement programs such as Six Sigma introduce changes to supply chain dynamics that requires greater collaboration with customers and suppliers than ever before. So manufacturers utilizing a just-in-time ordering system are serving customers who must integrate ordering and ordering process system directly with other companies' systems via virtual networks. In a just-in-time supply chain, orders are processed automatically between computers at both suppliers and customers' facility, one of which places immediate orders based on electronically tracked inventory levels, and the order of which instantly process payment and queues new orders to be delivered, all without any human interaction. So supply chain management strengthen the integration between the suppliers and the customers, so which will help manufacturing to achieve a more efficient production process and to stay the competitive at the marketplace. So this was few of the benefits of the supply chain management in a manufacturing industry or in a manufacturer process. In a manufacturing concern or a manufacturing organization. So if you have any question, please let me know. So I will be glad to answer your questions. Thank you.